Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up Airtable, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do when you get to the site is click sign up for free, and then you're going to make an account. Now, you can create an account however you want. You can use your work email or continue with Google. Just continue with Google. Select any account that you want, and then click continue. And once you click continue, you'll get to this page where you need to choose which team you're on. You can just skip this, and I am going to skip this. You can import data from other tables if you want to. However, I won't be doing so, and then you just click continue. Now, to set up your app, you just give it a name. I'll just keep it Untitled App. I'll add a color to my sidebar, and I'm going to pick an icon. For example, let's say this. Click next, then I'll start from a blank table, and as you can see, that then creates your table just like so, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.